Hey guys, it's your girl Fairy Queens here, and welcome back to another video. How are you guys doing today? I hope you're doing amazing. So this video has been requested so many times, like literally all the time. People ask me to do a skincare routine and also a makeup routine, and although I'm definitely not the best at either of them, I figured I would go ahead and show you my quote, gamer girl makeup routine. So this is basically what I do every single time I record a video or get ready for a live stream. Before we get into the video, be sure to leave a like to show your support. Here we go! So obviously the first thing that I have to do is pin my hair up because I don't want it to get in the way whenever I'm washing my face. I use my Cetaphil oil removing foam wash and I put that on a washcloth and then start washing my face. I try to be very gentle around my eyes because I don't like to pull on them. That can cause wrinkles. Once I'm done putting that on my face, I like to rinse my face and pat it dry with a towel. This is not something that I do super often, but I did have an extra hydrating sheet mask, so I figured I would go ahead and do it for the video. It is by Burt's Bees and it is watermelon scented, and oh my god, it smells amazing. It's recommended that you leave this on your face for about 5 minutes, but I didn't leave it on my face for that long because I have super sensitive skin and it can start to get irritated. I left this on my face for about 2.5 minutes. After that, I rinsed my face and patted it dry again. I used all of the extra moisture from the sheet mask and rubbed that on my neck. Now here's where I started my makeup. The first thing that I do whenever I start my makeup is I use this eye roller. It's supposed to help brighten your eyes and remove wrinkles. Don't know if it actually works, but I just use it anyway. After that, I go in with some concealer underneath my eyes to remove my dark circles. I also use concealer on whatever spots that I have on my face. And And now I begin my eyeshadow. As you can see, I have so many shades of pink. Pink is obviously my favorite color, and I think we're gonna go with this one today. I don't really know if this makeup look has a name, but I just apply the pink to the outer area of my eye. After that, I go in with a light cream color on my lid. I just apply this with my finger. Now I like to use a little bit of my white highlighter to dab in the center. Once I've done that, I use this super cheap red lipstick that I got probably from the dollar store, and I rub it on my hand. I use my finger to dab it in there, and then I put it on my eyeshadow. This basically just makes it look a little bit more pigmented because whenever I'm in front of my camera and my light, it makes me look super washed out. I use the remaining lipstick on my cheeks and my nose. I really love how pigmented this looks. After that, I apply some of my shimmery blush on top of it. Now here's what you all have been waiting for, my eyeliner! I start in the middle of my eye and then I drag it down and pull it up to create the winged eyeliner effect. Sometimes one eye is thicker than the other, so I can either go in with a Q-tip and fix it, or I can just compensate and make the other one thicker, which is what I did today. After that, I apply my mascara. Here I have an old dried out eyeliner, and I like to use this for freckles. I don't really have any specific order that I apply these in, I just kind of put them wherever I feel like it. And here I am applying my matte lipstick. I was trying to show you what the brand is, but I couldn't get it to focus, and let's be real, you don't really care anyway. So I'm just gonna apply that to my lips. And then I go in with that same cheap red lipstick and I put that in the center. I kind of feel like this creates a little bit of a gradient effect. And now we're done! Time to take out that hair, brush it out, and do some cute little side buns. actually inspired from Wizard 101, believe it or not. Molly Hicks. And now my gamer girl look is complete. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to leave a big thumbs up and a comment down below. Bye!